Hello viewers, welcome to RReduVids, a place to rewire your brains. As we all know, there are 5 stages in design thinking approach. The first phase is empathize. What is empathy? Empathy is an understanding of the innate requirements of user in a context under consideration. The mantra during this stage is to move away from assumptions and concentrate on gaining insights into the user's world. The focus is on obtaining the qualitative data during this phase, which will enable the design thinker to enrich his or her understanding of the context in a better way. The toolkit that can be used during this stage by the design thinker can be categorized into 2 divisions. The first division, prior to research, and the second is during the research. Now, prior to research helps in having an overall understanding of the stakeholders' expectations. During research is useful to understand individuals in the context of their stay. The tools that can be used during the first stage are stakeholder maps, KJ methods, design studio. The tools that can be used during the second stage include armchair research, interview types, contextual inquiry, awareness notebooks, listening to extreme users, 5Y and 1H approach, analogous experience, cognitive walkthrough, heuristic evaluation, ethnographic studies, digital ethnography, shadowing. To visualize the experiences shared by the users or prospective users during this particular stage can be through a set of tools such as empathy map, concept map, POEMS, POEMS, which is people, object, environment, messages and services, journey maps, personas, heat maps and recordings. Please do have a thorough understanding of each of these tools in the toolkit before you actually proceed with using a particular one during this particular phase. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For more such videos, please subscribe to RReduVids. Also, I request you to please press on the like button and share the video amongst your friends. Namaste.